Bonnie, happy Friday! Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited. I got my Halloween shirt on, but this is all about Christmas. Oh my gosh, you guys. So I've got my Campaign 23 haul, and I've got my Campaign 25 catalog. Oh my gosh, you guys. There's some good stuff coming to Avon for Christmas. So for those of you just joining me, I am an online Avon rep. First thing you're going to want to do is subscribe to my channel because all this good stuff is coming. And you're also going to want to subscribe to my my email list because then I can get you online coupons and then I can send you a newsletter. So it's all good. I have the link below. The form is actually on my blog, www.queenofthegirlgeeks.com. All the information is below. If you would like to order anything from Avon, I will also put the link below. You can go to my Avon e-store and purchase all this amazing stuff. Shipping is free on $60. So holy moly. So I'm just going to dig right in, you guys. So the first thing I have is I actually opened these. My mom wanted these. These are the Studio 1886 stretchy pants. Oh my gosh, these are really nice. My mother loves these. Very soft, very pretty. So she did get 2 pairs of the pants, so that was pretty awesome. And then, oh my gosh, you guys, classic perfume collection overload. They now have, I gotta review these, you guys. They now have the perfume skin softener in the classics like Night Magic. Hello! I love these! I did a whole series about the classic perfumes, and Night Magic is one of my favorite classic scents. Look at it, it's blue! Oh my gosh, that smells really good. I think these are like $3.99 too. These are really economically priced. I'm going to do a whole review on these. So I got Night Magic, I got Timeless, and then I also got Candid. I'm going to get a couple, oh, my lights are shining. I'm going to get a couple more of these too next time, I think. I'm so excited about those though. That is awesome. I also got a scrunchy hairband. Check this out. Let me open this up. These are really nice for when, like you're washing your face at night. This thing's brilliant white. Look at this. It's reflecting off my lights. But this was really cute. I thought that was awesome. So I did get one of the scrunchies. Let me pull. I got to organize here, you guys. I feel like I got stuff everywhere. Coming soon this is so cute. It's the Belief holiday gift pack. Check this out. How adorable is this? I really like the Belief line. That's the Aqua Bomb. So if you're looking for someone, that likes a lot of moisture in their face, this is definitely a really cute gift. This is the Belief collection in the holiday bag. So that is pretty awesome. Check it out, you guys. I got the Eiffel Tower. This is actually coming in Campaign 24, which starts in less than 2 weeks. Oh my goodness. It is the Ooh La La collectible, backed by popular demand, Dream Life cologne. These are $32. This thing is pretty large. Look at this box. This would make an awesome Christmas gift, you guys. So pretty. Let me open this guy up here. I was excited to get this. Let me see. This is cute. This is part of the Parisian holiday that they're doing this year. So everything is like Paris themed. Oh my gosh, look how pretty this is. It's like an Eiffel Tower perfume. Let me take the lid off, spray a little of this on. This is so cute. I love it. Oh my gosh, this would make, oh, I got something sticky on me. This would make a great gift here. Oh, I like that. It smells really pretty, you guys. Oh my gosh. The scent is, what is the scent again? The scent is, backed by popular demand, Dream Life cologne spray in a bottle, limited edition, beautifully designed in the shape of an Eiffel Tower. It's mimosa flower, aspirational rose, and glowing amber. I smell a lot of the glowing amber, a little hint of rose. You know me, I'm not always a rose person, but this smells really good, you guys. That is so pretty. So check it out. This is an awesome Christmas gift. I like the Eiffel Tower. That's so pretty. Check that out. It comes in the awesome gift box. So that is pretty good. I'll review that again closer to Christmas. I'm going to do the whole Parisian collection. So that will be fun. I did get, oh my gosh, it's funny. I went to the door and I'm like, why is my Avon box so heavy? You know why? Because I got a ton of my shampoo. I'm running out of my Elastine Propolis Thera shampoo. I cannot live without this shampoo. They can never get rid of this shampoo. I love this shampoo. It's my absolute favorite. It's completely conditioned my hair. I also got that's the shampoo. I got 2 shampoos and 2 conditioners. I'm like, I need a lot of this. I got 1 for each bathroom. So I got the set. These are $15 each. They last a long time. But this is my absolute go-to shampoo. I don't think I can ever stop using this shampoo. I use the entire Elastine line. I use their sprays. I use the conditioner. I use everything. And like I said, my hair, I can never grow it long because it always gets broken off. And it's out of condition. Look at my hair. It's perfect condition. I am so happy with this shampoo. So that's good. And they come with the pumps, which is really nice. So let's set that aside. Look, all my shampoo here. I gotta get organized here, you guys. Oh, I did get a box. I love the disposable masks. These are really nice. I like to just use them and toss them. So I did get one of those. I got one of the Moisture Therapy hand creams. And then, ooh, what's in here? I think from buying the masks, I got 10 free of the... These are, which ones are these? These are the Moisture Therapy lip balms. So I got a bunch of lip balms, which is pretty cool. Oh, I got one of the blushes. Oh my gosh, you guys. I love this blush. The Cushion Blush. This one is, I'm not sure what shade this is. There's a lot of packaging here. There we go. Oh, this one's pretty. Look at this. How gorgeous is that for fall? I love this blush. This is like my all-time favorite blush now. This one is the Colors of Love Midnight Lily. I'm so excited that I got that. I really needed another one of those. And then I did get a couple of the holiday things. I got the Rendezvous gel for eyeshadow. I'm going to do reviews on all this stuff. I don't want this video to go like, 25 minutes of me just unboxing because I am going to review all this. Oh, I got some jewelry too. What did I get? I don't even remember what I bought. Oh, I got the cubic zirconia in the little cage. That's really cute. Look at that. It's pink. I love that. I'm going to go over all the jewelry too, you guys, because there's so much good jewelry in Avon for Christmas. And then this is going to be the Campaign 25 catalog. We're currently in Campaign 23. So the Paris catalog starts 2 weeks. Actually, it's like a week and a half. This one starts all the Parisian stuff. And you're going to want to order early on a lot of this stuff because you don't want it to sell out. And what I mean by that is, I believe in Campaign, is it 24 that the Christmas tree is coming? Yes. Oh my gosh, you guys. The tree chic. This is $34.99. Look at this. I actually got 2 of them this year. Is this not gorgeous? Look at the way this thing lights up. It's hard to tell with my lights, but this is such a pretty Christmas tree. I'm going to take some pictures of this and review this, but that is a gorgeous collectible from Avon. We've also got some tree toppers, ornaments that I'm going to be going over. So much good stuff. And then don't forget, we've got buy one, get one free on a lot of the Avon Defense, the 7-pack of the disposable masks, the nitrile gloves are buy one, get one free, and all of the cloth masks are buy one, get one free. So good deal going on that. We also have some good buys coming up. This is Campaign 25. A lot of last year's Christmas stuff is being clearanced off, so you'll be able to... That's one thing I like about the online shopping, is you can easily look at all of the Christmas stuff that's from last year that's on sale. You can shop the clearance. Shopping online is the way to go, you guys. It's the shipping is free on $60, and then it's shipped directly to your house. I also have some luxury edit catalogs that I'm going to be sending out. This has got the Charmed perfume, that $1,000 perfume in it that's kind of amazing. But actually, I don't know, this is kind of neat. It's a really like high-end book, and it says if you spend $500, you're going to get this. I'm not even sure what it is. It's the first Genter set, includes eye cream, Cell Essential Source Ampoule Advanced for $250 value. Oh my goodness, I haven't even looked into that yet, but this is like a gift if you spend, I don't even know what you have to buy to get this. I don't know if it's $500 just out of this catalog, or if it's $500 in general. I don't even know when this starts, but this is a pretty interesting little high-end Avon book. It's got the Physio gel in it. This stuff's amazing if you got like eczema and stuff, or sensitive skin. It's got the CBD cream. So I should have, oh, it's got all the Propolythera stuff in it. Oh, wow. That's really cool. So anyway, this is coming up. I'm not sure when the date on this one is. It says effective, oh, this is campaign 24. Looks like campaign 24 is the luxury edit coming up. So I was like, well, that's kind of cool. I've never seen that before. So, holy moly, lots of good stuff coming from Avon, and I got to talk about my cat coming up soon. Everyone wants to know about the cat. So anyway, I'm excited. I've got a lot of stuff to review for you guys. Oh, look at this too. Buy one, get one free. Stocking stuffers on the hand sanitizer. I'm getting overwhelmed here. Just a lot of cool stuff. So anyway, thank you as always for watching. Hit the subscribe button. We're going to be talking about Avon every day for the next month, all Christmas and beyond. I'll see you guys later. Have an awesome Friday night. I'm going to go wash my hair. Bye-bye.